Here's how to find files quickly and easily using Copilot Search. So I think it's fair to say that over the years it's been pretty difficult to find files, documents and people within Windows, but no more because there's a great new search module within 365 Copilot. So let's check it out. So it's a little bit hidden away. We need to go to the sidebar here. So we need to open that and you'll see that there is a search option at the top. Now you might think this just refers to conversations or chats like it does in ChatGPT, but no. So if I click on that, you'll see that it says find content across your organization. So it will literally find anything. So absolutely crucial to make sure that you've got this rocker button here selected to try the new Copilot search, because otherwise it's just the sort of like old bog standard Windows search, which is not exactly very helpful. But here we've got an intelligent search that works off natural language, really useful. So if I select this option here, for example, find any files related to change management, immediately I've got the answers here, and I've also got a handy summary as well saying how many files have been found, what type of files they are, and then a little bit of a summary in different sections around file types as well. And if I want to go further and interrogate that content even more, then I can do that using Copilot. So really, really useful. Or I might want to filter by file type, by person, or when the file was modified. And we've also got a handy little summary here. So for example, if I filter down to the past week, the numbers here are going to drop right down to 8. So really, really useful. Any kind of like natural query like this will work. So let's try another one. So let's say let's just pick this up, find AI workshop recording from Wednesday. So going to select that and immediately it's come up, actually had a couple of workshops on Wednesday, it's come up with those recordings and some associated files as well. And just as before, it has come up with a handy box here summarizing all of the content that it has found along with the information that I requested. Really quite useful. So more though, there is more. So let's go back to the search and you will see that there are some handy filters before you even get into the search. So you've got your files here, recently worked on files, very, very useful because chances are you might want to access these again. And you'll see that they've got some built-in prompts as well. So let's do this one. I can just say list key points from this Excel spreadsheet, and you can see that it fires straight into Copilot and gives me all of the key points from that spreadsheet. Really, really handy. So if we go back, another feature that I really like is this little AI type symbol here. So if we hover over that, this is really good because just by hovering over it, we get like a preview of the file and a summary. So we don't even have to click anything to get a summary of files like, doesn't seem to work for Excel, but files like PowerPoint and Word. So let's just do one for Word. So let's just click on hover over that and you can see and get expanded view there, summary and a preview. Really like that, very useful. And just as above, you can click on particular prompts as well. So super useful feature, just to highlight that for you, that you access it via search. Way better than that awful Windows sort of search down on the taskbar. And do make sure that you have got the new Copilot search enabled. Hope you found that useful and enjoy searching for your files.